Gah! Is that a reef shark in a zombie Halloween costume? Meet the ghost shark. It can be found spooking deep-water creatures in almost every ocean except the Antarctic. But there's more to this specter of the sea than meets the eye. Why does it appear to glow in the dark? Is it as dangerous as other sharks? Buckle up. It's Fright Night in the depths of the ocean. A chimera, or ghost shark, is a pale, translucent fish with a skeleton made entirely of cartilage. That's the softer connective tissue found in your ears and nose. It's what gives this fish terrifying flexibility. Some 50 different species of chimeras belong to the order of chimeriforms. You can find them sweeping the ocean floor at depths of 200 to 2,600 meters with their shroud-like pectoral fins. But some of them also live in rivers and estuaries. In ancient Greek mythology, the chimera refers to a monster that is a hybrid of 3 animals. In the case of our present-day chimeras, a snout like the bill of a duck, a tail like a rat, or a miniature trunk like an elephant are some bizarre physical features that different species of this fish have. The 0.3 to 1.5 meter long bodies of many chimeras have prominent lateral lines and dots on their snout that look like zombie special effects stitches. These contain sensory structures that help the chimera detect moving prey in the darkness of the deep. Complete with oversized, vacant, milky eyes, it's pretty clear why it's also called the ghost shark. Their spooky manga eyes are custom-built to see in low-light conditions. A special reflective layer of cells behind the retina increases their sensitivity by reflecting light back on the photoreceptors. This makes them look cloudy or like they're glowing in the dark, but it's helping those eyes absorb more light. But is it really a shark? Well, not quite. Sharks have skeletons made of cartilage, and that's about all the chimera has in common with them. They are cousins, though, but the chimera would safely be considered the oddball of the family. Male chimeras have a retractable sex organ on their head. This penis on their head is equipped with hooks to clasp onto a female's fins during mating. There are also other clasper organs on the male's pelvis to give it a better grip and occasionally stimulate the female. Ghost sharks munch on their prey of smaller fish and invertebrates with their 3 rows of flat-toothed plates, 2 of which are fused to their skulls. You've probably guessed it by now. This freaky fish is too busy evolving outlandish features to adapt to its unforgiving environment to worry about coming to nip at your heels near the surface anytime soon. And though some chimeras have a special venom gland near their dorsal fins, they are very unlikely to use it. The sting can be painful, but the venom isn't really dangerous to humans. There's a lot we still don't know about these fascinatingly eerie creatures, but deep-sea commercial trawling poses a major threat to some of them. With skin and gills full of parasites, they don't make for a safe meal for humans. Trawlers have little use for them and often toss them overboard, dead or alive. There's a lot of hope riding on an unclassified baby chimera caught earlier in 2022 off the coast of New Zealand by a team of researchers. This ghost shark is expected to help piece together the puzzle of this mysterious fish's life cycle. What other mysteries are lurking in the deepest waters of the ocean, you ask? Well, have you met the Dumbo octopus yet? Get to know this adorable cephalopod in another episode of Crazy Creatures. Glowing in the dark and carrying their penises on their heads is what ghost sharks do, and that's why they're crazy creatures.